Picture this, a future where you can send money, sign contracts, and verify your identity without ever relying on banks, lawyers, or middlemen. Sounds wild, right? But here's the kicker. This future is already here. It's called blockchain technology. And no, it's not just about cryptocurrency. It's about reshaping entire industries. But here's the part that should send chills down your spine. If you don't understand how blockchain works, you risk being left behind in a world that's evolving faster than ever. So, are you ready to future-proof yourself? Let's dive in and break down what blockchain really is and why it's transforming everything we know. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see the world in a completely new way. All right, let's start simple. Blockchain is like a digital ledger. Imagine a notebook that everyone in the world can see, but no one can tamper with. Now, if that sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, I get it. You might even be thinking, great, another tech buzzword I'll pretend to understand at parties. But here's why blockchain is actually pretty genius. 1. Decentralization. Unlike traditional systems where one central authority controls everything, like your bank, blockchain is maintained by a network of computers spread across the globe. No single point of failure means more security. 2. Transparency. Every transaction is recorded and visible to everyone on the network. This means no shady backroom deals or hidden fees. But here's where things get really wild. Blockchain isn't just for finance. It's being used in healthcare to securely store patient records, in supply chains to track products from factory to shelf, and even in elections to prevent voter fraud. Imagine voting in an election where your vote is truly secure and untouchable. That's the kind of world blockchain is building. And if that doesn't excite you, let me hit you with this. Some experts believe blockchain will be as transformative as the internet itself. Remember when people thought the internet was just for nerds in the 90s? Yeah, look how that turned out. Now, here's the burning question. Why does this matter to you? Because whether you're into finance, gaming, social media, or even just buying sneakers online, blockchain will touch every part of your life. And knowing how it works is like having the cheat code to the future. But understanding blockchain is just the first step. Blockchain and cryptocurrency go hand in hand. And knowing how cryptocurrency works is essential to truly grasping this new digital economy. So, click on the video right here to watch What is Cryptocurrency? Explained for Beginners. I'll see you there. Don't miss it. Your future self will thank you.